Hello folks, there is this place called Ogimi in Okinawa, Japan, where every third person is 90 years old. You might be aware that Okinawa is the island where the maximum number of supercentenarians of the world live. Supercentenarians are those who are above 100 but are still leading hale and hearty lives. If you look at the philosophy of these Okinawans, you'll understand their philosophy much better when you hear this prayer of this 98-year-old Ogimi resident. She prays to God, God, please help me to wake up every morning with the drive, the energy, the focus, the determination, and the will to conquer the world every day. That's the prayer of a 98-year-old Ogimi resident. Okinawans are always busy with some task or the other. They like to keep working. And one common factor is that they all are involved in gardening. They love to grow at least one or two of the vegetables that they love to eat. In fact, they believe in consuming a whole rainbow of colors of vegetables and fruits with every meal. They eat a lot of seafood, but they try and avoid meat as much as possible. Okinawans are people who have discovered their ikigai. The secret of a long and happy life involves a long, healthy, and purposeful life. Ikigai also translates into the happiness of being busy throughout one's life. Everybody has to discover their own ikigai because ikigai is different from one person to another. So there is no standard formula that you can apply to discover your ikigai. However, research has shown that people who have discovered their ikigai are involved in 7 practices, which is quite common across all these people who have discovered their ikigai. So what are these 7 practices? Number 1, people who have discovered their ikigai are constantly in motion. They move around a lot. They in fact never sit stationary or remain sedentary for more than half an hour because they believe that metabolism has to be working throughout the day. So if you have a job that involves a lot of sitting around, please learn to take a break every half an hour to take a 5-minute walk or learn some exercises that you can do while sitting because it is important to keep your metabolism working throughout the day. Number 2, ikigai involves the harmonization of body, mind, and spirit. So people with ikigai, almost all of them are involved in some form of meditation or other. Many of them are involved in exercises or practices like yoga and tai chi, which harmonizes body and mind. They do not recommend very strenuous exercise, but almost all people who have discovered their ikigai do some minor stretches and do a lot of walking every day. Number 3, people with ikigai learn to take it slow. They learn to take things easy. While they believe that a little bit of stress is a good motivator, piling on the stress can finish you. A lot of stress will kill you. So people with ikigai do not take themselves too seriously. They learn to laugh at themselves and they have a great sense of humor. Number 4, people who have discovered their ikigai never retire. They are involved in tasks which help them find their flow, which means they are involved in tasks that they are so passionate about that time just flies. So it is important that you should find what gives you joy and get involved in pursuits that give you joy. In fact, almost all these people who have discovered their ikigai get involved in so many different tasks throughout their life There is no retirement at all for them. They even find some joy in trivial and mundane tasks and chores like sweeping and swabbing and washing the vessels. You might not be aware that Bill Gates does the dishes at home every day, and he says it's a very fruitful chore for him because this is the time that he gets to really introspect. Number 5, hara hachi bu. This is a Japanese term for fill your stomach only up to 80%. So do not gorge yourself till your stomach is bloating. Eat only to satiate your hunger and stop eating much before you become full. There is another term, that is number 6, called moai, a Japanese term called moai, which means social living. So people who have discovered their ikigai have a number of friends and family and relatives, and they spend moments with their friends and relatives every day. This is very important for your ikigai. You have to be involved in some form of community exercise, community workshops around your neighborhood or beyond, because this really helps you to discover your ikigai. And finally, people who have discovered their ikigai are not bothered about the past, nor are they worried about their future. They live for the moment. They believe in the now. So seize the moment. Carpe diem. Goodbye.